how to add Gmail account on Android. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add another Gmail account on your Android phone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss how to switch between accounts. Let's get started. Alright, first open up the Gmail app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. From there, tap on Add another account. You might see a list of options, but go ahead and choose Google. Now you'll be asked to sign in with the email address and password of the Gmail account you want to add. You might also need to enter your phone's PIN or use Face ID depending on your settings. Once you're signed in, you'll see some terms. Just read through and tap I agree to continue. And just like that, the new account is added. To switch between your accounts, just tap your profile icon again in the top right and select the account you want. You can also tap the three lines in the top left corner and select all inboxes to view emails from all your accounts in one place. And that's how you add and manage multiple Gmail accounts on your Android phone. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.